friends, today we learn division trick, but we don't do any division. So let's start. Suppose 7867 by 5. We don't do any division. We just multiply 7867 into 2. It's give 7 to 14, 4, 1, 6 to 12, 1, 13, 3, 1, 8 to 16, 1, 17, 7, 1, 7 to 14, 1, 15. Here we add 1 point before 1 digit. Because here 7867 by 5, its mean actually it's 5 to the power 1, and we multiply 7867 into 2 means actually 2 to the power 1. So we add 1 point before 4. Okay, next 89653 by 5. 89653 into 2. 3 to 6, 5 to 10, 0, 1, 6 to 12, 1, 13, 3, 1, 9 to 18, 1, 19, 9, 1, 8 to 16, 1, 17. This is the answer. Next, 43691 by 5. 43691 into 2. 2, 9 to 18, 8, 1, 6 to 12, 1, 13, 3, 1, 3 to 6, 1, 7, 4 to 8. This is the answer. Now we multiply. Suppose this one trick. Now we divide 37459 by 25. So what's the multiplication? Here 25 means 5 square. So we multiply 37459 into 2 square. Actually 37459 into 4. It means 9 4 36, 6, 3 5 4 20, 3 23, 3 8 9 4 3 12 to 14. Here we divide it by 25. 25 means 5 square. So we multiply it into 2 square. 2 square means 4. So the point is before 2 number. So the answer is 1498.36. Next, 41997 by 25. So we multiply 41997 into 4. 7 4 28, 8 2 9 4 36, 2 38, 8 3 9 4 36, 3 39, 9 3 4 1 4 3 7 4 4 16. Answer. Next, any digit, any big number. So we multiply 98324 into 4. 4 4 16, 6 1 4 2 8 1 9 4 3 12 2 1 4 8 32 1 33 3 3 9 4 36 3 39. This is the answer. Now we divide. Suppose 29713 by 125. Here we divide 125. So 125 means 5 cube. So we multiply 297113 into 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. Here 2 square, because here 25 means 5 square. Here 125 means 5 cube. So we multiply it by 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 2971113 into 8. So 8 3 24 4 2 8 1 8 2 10 0 1 8 1 8 9 8 7 56 6 5 8 9 72 5 77 7 8 2 16 16 7 23. Here we multiply it by 2q and here 125 means 5q. So here we add 1 point before 3 digit because here 3. So this is the answer. 3 4 6 3 2 1 1. Divide it by 125. So it means 3 4 6 3 2 1 1 into 2q means 8. So 3 4 6 3 2 1 1 into 8 equal to 8 1 8 8 8 2 16 6 1 8 3 24 1 25 5 2 8 6 48 2 50 0 5 8 4 32 5 37 7 3 8 3 24 3 27. Here 3 and 125 means 5q, so 3. So we add the point before 3 number. So this is the answer. Next 7 8 7 6 5 1 by 125. So we multiply 7 8 7 6 5 1 into 8 1 8 8 5 40 0 4 8 6 48 4 52 2 5 8 7 56 5 61 1 6 8 8 64 6 70 0 7 8 7 56 56 7 63. This is the answer. Okay, now we do the division. Suppose 3 to 6 1 1, divide it by 625. 625 means 5 to the power 4. So we multiply 3 to 6 1 1 into 2 to the power 4. Here 2q because here 5q. Here 5 to the power 4. So we multiply it by 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16. So 3 to 6 1 1 into 16. So it means 6 16 1 16 7 7 1 2. Here we add the point before 4 number because here we multiply 2 to the power 4 and here the division 5 to the power 4, so 4. So we add the point before 4 number. So 52.1776 is the answer. Next 6 to 3 to 1, divide it by 6 to 5. 6 to 5 means 5 to the power 4. So we multiply 6 to 3 to 1 into 2 to the power 4 means 6 to 3 to 1 into 16. So 6 to 3 to 1 into 16 means 6, 16 to 32, 3, 1, 7, 99. So this is the answer. Okay friend, I give some homework. 71268 by 25. 8967954 by 125 and 374661 by 625. Please write the answer in the comment section. Thanks friend for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel Tricky Math Quick Learning.